How to create a new world in Lego Fortnite? Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if you would like to know that, then please keep watching because I'm going to show you guys it right now. So first of all, you obviously want to make sure that you are playing Lego Fortnite. You can already tell because my character is a Lego figure right now. But if you click on select world, you can see that it says loading available worlds. And now it says create new world because I don't have a new world yet. So I'll just go ahead and click on create. And here you have a bunch of slots and I'll just select this one. And here you can basically choose what kind of like cover image you want. I don't think this affects your world. I think the world is always the same, but you can select a cover image which you would like to. Here you can even add a seed. So this actually means that it is random generated. Enemies on, hunger, temperature, stamina, elimination, drop inventory upon elimination, friendly creatures and villagers. You can turn all of these on and off. I recommend to just leave everything on. Game mode survival or sandbox. Sandbox is basically creative like in Minecraft. And then here, simply click on start. It says, please know that once a world is created, world settings cannot be changed. So keep that in mind. Click on OK, and we are now creating a world. Now, I am not 100% sure how long this actually takes, but it says that I'm currently matchmaking. And I'm pretty much matchmaking right now. So yeah, there we go. We're already loading. And there you go. This is basically what will happen now. And I am currently inside of the world. So that is how to create a world in Lego Fortnite.